Welcome to myotherapyhealthcare.com. This is Laura Lee, and Paul might come into the picture, but I'm talking about industrial hemp, practical products, paper to fabric, to cosmetics. And Paul is going to join us. Now this is hard to read, but I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot. Behind us is Denver, Colorado, which is sort of cool. Hydrocarbon or carbohydrate. At about the same time, a powerful new version emerged to promote the use of agriculture crops as raw materials for American industry. David P. West, PhD, plant breeder, says in the 1930s, a new science was developing called chemophary, the bringing together of agriculture and the organic chemical industry. The term chemophary was coined by Wallace Hale, a biochemist with Dow Chemical, a company whose origins were rooted in agriculture. The chemography catchphrase was, anything that can be made from a hydrocarbon can be made from a carbohydrate. Founders of the chemography movement included Henry Ford, Thomas Edison, George Washington Carver, the deans of MIT and Harvard, and the American Farm Bureau, all whom shared a vision of farm products replacing trees and imported oil for fuels, fibers, and lubricants. Henry Ford even introduced an automobile that ran on fuels derived from agriculture-based resources. What happened after that, we may never fully know. Historians have speculated about why the agriculture chemography industry fell out of favor from the time of World War II. Petroleum was in abundant supply and therefore was cheaply priced. Perhaps another factor, its hemp downfall, was its rural, decentralized approach. Its primary economic beneficiaries were farmers and smaller regional manufacturers. In that area, the big government and a few dominant companies, the centralized structure of the petrochemical and timber industries seemed a more profitable approach. Petroleum technologies promised a new age of synthetics, and people were attracted to the novelty of such products. 60 years later, the world is still living with the consequences of pollution and economic dependence that synthetics have brought. So I'm going to go ahead and read this next chapter, but I think it's Henry Ford made a car out of hemp. Anyway, love life and life will love you back. And I hope you can see this video. The sun went down, but there's Denver lighting up behind us. And this mystery spot right over here is what they call Red Rocks. Anyway, love life and life will love you back. Like and share and make a comment. Bye-bye for now.